All right, guys, so in this part of the video, what I'm doing is the patient is doing an exercise we call walk the plank. Basically, it's a 1/2 inch tall, 3 inch wide board that we have set up in the hallway. Sometimes we lay this alongside like a kitchen counter. The hallway is great because you can reach out to both sides, but it improves the quality of the heel toe walking. Now in the hallway, hands are on the wall. The patient is just doing a side step laterally. This helps us build some control side to side, and then we do a crossover step in front. Certainly you could do a version of a grapevine here where you do the crossover in front, then the crossover behind. At the end of this crossover step, what I'm doing is I'm having the patient repeat the position, but the foot that's in front, as she slides that foot back, the knee replacement is the back leg. As she slides the front leg back, she's creating extension through the back leg, the back of the knee. That is a great active knee extension stretch that you can do in standing pretty much anywhere you are throughout the day. You can do it standing in the corner, in the hallway. You can do it at the kitchen counter while you're washing dishes. And so you just apply the pressure from the front knee into the back knee, hold the stretch for 15, 20, 30 seconds, and then release the pressure.